Hey there, little explorers. Are you ready for a wild adventure? Today, we're going deep into the jungle, across the savannah, and even to the icy Arctic to meet 50 incredible wild animals. Can you guess which animal is the fastest? Or which one has the strongest bite? Stay with us and let's roar, stomp, and jump into the world of wild animals. Lion. Lion. Tiger. Tiger. Elephant. Elephant. Leopard. Leopard. Cheetah. Cheetah. Giraffe. Giraffe. Zebra. Zebra. Gorilla. Gorilla. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Orangutan. Orangutan. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Crocodile. Crocodile. Alligator. Alligator. Jaguar. Jaguar. Puma. Puma. Wolf. Wolf. Bear. Bear. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bear. Polar bear. Polar bear. Panda. Panda. Koala. Koala. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Hyena. Hyena. Meerkat. Meerkat. Bison. Bison. Buffalo. Buffalo. Moose. Moose. Elk. Elk. Deer. Deer. Lynx. Lynx. Ocelot. Ocelot. Caracal. Caracal. Snow leopard. Snow leopard. Serval. Serval. Sloth. Sloth. Tapir. Tapir. Anteater. Anteater. Armadillo. Armadillo. Wild boar. Wild boar. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizard. Vulture. Vulture. Eagle. Eagle. Hawk. Hawk. Falcon. Falcon. Python. Python. Cobra. Cobra. Jackal. Jackal.